In this video, I demonstrate free tools that you can use to earn $600 each day while doing nothing online. What do those mean? We'll soon find out. You can use this app for free and make $600 every day doing nothing. Additionally, just a small portion of viewers of my videos really subscribe. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, think about subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. Make the maximum money as a result, of course. Embrace it. Not one, not two, but 5 applications will continuously pay you $600 if you use them, and there is practically nothing you need to do. The best aspect is that you can withdraw your money using a variety of payment options. Naturally, you can carry out this activity from virtually anywhere in the world. Your mobile phone is the only item you actually need. You can carry out this action on an iOS or Android smartphone. So all you have to do to get started earning money is to simply follow my simple instructions, download the apps, and register for a free account. Please give this some thought. When you check your phone in the morning after waking up early, guess what? Your money are deposited directly into your account. You can start making money right now, while you're lounging on your couch, even while you sleep, and you can continue to do so while doing absolutely nothing. But before we get started, please leave a comment below saying that you are from your country. I'll be able to pinpoint your specific origin if you do that. I'll be able to ensure that every video I release from now on is for you. So please mention your nation in the comments section below. Don't forget to stick around and watch all the way to the finish because I have a special bonus for you. Let's return to the video now. TV-2.com is the name of the first app I want to demonstrate to you. The idea behind this software is thus very straightforward. You can start earning money as soon as you click, play, and view the video. This is possible on both iOS and Android-powered mobile devices as well as televisions. As promised, here is the bonus advice. Use numerous devices to click, play, and leave the videos playing in the background if you want to optimize your earning potential with this app. Now you can carry out this action while engaging in enjoyable activities, studying, or even sleeping. Therefore, all you need to do is first download the TV2 app to your smartphone. You can search for this app in the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone by clicking here. As you can see, this one has been used by almost 300,000 people. The biggest feature of this app is that, based on the fact that it has received over 300,000 downloads, it has a nearly perfect rating of 5 stars on the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, be sure to open it up on your phone or connect it to your TV so you can watch the movies and start making money. Additionally, you can choose from an almost infinite number of movies and channels to start earning money. This application is known as TV2 once more. Appcomma is the name of the second app where you may make money by doing nothing. As you can see, using applications to play games might earn you rewards. Furthermore, it is totally free. The reason you may earn money without working is that when you download and install the software, you automatically receive 300 points, which translates to the ability to earn $3 US while doing nothing. This is available for both iOS and Android mobile devices to download. Here is the bonus advice I promised earlier. Simply log into your account daily. So simply use the app to collect your daily incentives. And this is how you may work for free every day while making money. With the use of this software, you may unlock a variety of achievement badges that will boost your profits, enabling you to double or even triple your current income. One more thing about Appcomma. You can recommend friends and get 30% of what they make by sharing your invite link with them. So, for instance, if you suggest someone and they make $100, you will automatically receive $30 in free money without doing anything. So all you need to do is first download Appcomma to your smartphone. You can search for this app in the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone by clicking here. This is how the logo appears. Ensure that you download the appropriate software. Even though this software is incredibly easy to use, there are many different methods to get money, including by playing games. and scratch-off cards are another way to make money. Also, remember to log in each day to receive your daily incentives. This application's name is Appcomma once more. I'd like to show you the third app, which is called cash4minutes.com. You can earn money with this software just by listening to internet radio shows. And because they now provide weekly payouts in a variety of payment ways, you may get your money every single week. As you can see, quick payments allow you to select between weekly or monthly payments via bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. Please quickly comment below and let me know which type of payment you prefer. They have access to the entire world, thus this app is accessible anywhere. Therefore, all you need is a smartphone and access to the internet. This is basically how it operates. You must first create a free account on Cash4Minutes. Therefore, just create a profile and connect your phone number to this app. Following that, you may start tuning in to various radio shows and begin making money. Referring friends to this app is another bonus revenue stream. You can invite your friends and receive 5% of their earnings, as you can see above. Additionally, you will receive 1% of all earnings made by those they introduce. You can now leave your referral links in the description of the video that follows. You can use each other's links in this way to benefit from each other's earnings. This app's name is Cash4Minutes once more. But before I go, if you guys loved this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort making, I would really appreciate it if you guys clicked the like button and turned on your subscription notifications. Slidejoy is the fourth application we'll discuss. The reason this program pays you money for doing nothing at all is because it will display advertising on your phone. And Slidejoy makes money from those advertising. This app was featured in numerous important businesses. As you can see, Slidejoy will reward you with virtual cash once you download the program to your phone and use it as your lock screen. On the first screen of your phone, they will display engaging tailored adverts and the most recent trending news. You don't need to take any further action. Simply carry on with your regular activities while using your amazing cash rewards or gift cards to swipe, unlock, utilize, and finally redeem. Simply download the Slidejoy app to your phone to get started. You may look for this app right here on the Google Play Store. This is how the logo appears. Ensure that you download the appropriate software. This one has gotten some excellent reviews. Given that it has had more than 100,000 downloads, its rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars is astounding. Again, the name of the app is Slidejoy. We now move on to the sixth app where you can earn money by doing nothing at all. Additionally, this is on moneysmsapp.com. With the help of the free Money SMS Android app, you may earn money online by automatically receiving SMS that are generated by their system and users. Unfortunately, only Android smartphones may use this software. On iOS devices, this is ineffective. Please quickly let me know if you use iOS or Android by leaving a comment below. As soon as you install this app, you'll start getting SMS messages. Simply ignore them and remove them. With this app, you can make money passively without doing anything. Additionally, this app is totally free. No money is required to begin, and there are no additional costs. Money SNS is a secure app. This program doesn't utilize any other data or read any of your private communications. Additionally, you can cash out using a variety of payment options. The best aspect is that you can withdraw your money very quickly, within just 48 hours. And right here on this app, there is a referral scheme that allows you to bring friends and receive 30% of their earnings. And with that, we're done. These are the free apps that allow users to earn money online by doing nothing. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on notifications to receive updates on new material. I'll see you in a few of the upcoming videos, as usual.